Imagine finishing hours of work in minutes using AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can write emails, generate ideas, answer questions, and automate tasks. It can save you hours of work every day. To access ChatGPT, you can easily go to chat.openai.com, or you could easily go to chatgpt.com. This will bring you to a screen just like mine, where you can easily ask anything and ChatGPT will give you a response. Once you get to the page, you can sign in or sign up. If you have an existing account, you can sign in, but I'm assuming you're a beginner, so you're going to sign up. It is free to sign up. You can sign up with your Gmail account if you have an Apple account, or you could easily set up the account with a fresh email address. So let's set that up. Once you get in, you'll be presented with a screen like this where you can easily create ideas. You can create an image. You can learn a new thing by asking any question. You can write or edit an existing document. And then if you need any help, you could easily click on this link and ChatGPT will come through for you. So we are just going to ask ChatGPT to write us a professional email at this point. Let's ask it to write us an email applying for a managerial role at a bank. It saves time instantly. You can easily edit this and format it the way you would like for the application you would like to use it for. Now let's try the image capabilities of ChatGPT. I'm going to start a new chat and now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate an image of a dog and an old man walking in a park. So I'm going to say generate an image of an old man walking a dog. And there we have it, an old man walking a dog. You can edit this image. You can add some more descriptions. You can ask Copilot to edit the image and change the breed of the dog, for example. Let's see what it comes up with. And now we have a different kind of dog. Let's try something different with ChatGPT this time. So I'm going to say, ChatGPT, please create a daily productivity plan. So let's say create. I would like to see how creative ChatGPT can be. And there I have it. A daily productivity plan that can work for me. I can easily modify this to sit into how I would like my day to go. Now let's ask ChatGPT for business ideas. So I'm going to say, can you generate 10 business ideas in 2026? Okay, I have 10 business ideas I can walk through. We can also ask ChatGPT to create quiz for learning. We can ask it to create quiz. So let's try that. I'll say, let's say, can you create 15 quizzes on current affairs? And now I have all of the questions. I can basically respond to these questions, get the answer, and I can also ask ChatGPT to bring the questions one at a time on the screen. It is important to be detailed enough when using ChatGPT. You need to be clear and add some more information to your request. This helps the search and the results you get from ChatGPT. This brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Kindly subscribe for more AI tutorial that will save you hours of work every week. Thank you and see you on the next one.